So this video is about the word have in terms of the multi-use verbs. So like the others, remember, don't just do a literal translation. You need to consider the context. So we've got some context here. Have can be used quite regularly to describe consuming food or drink. It can describe being in possession of something physical or something intangible. It can describe an experience or a condition. It can be to arrange for another person to do something for you. There will be examples of these in the next slides. And of course, sometimes there's just no predictable way. It's just about we use it like that because that's how we use it. So here are some examples. So you can say, I'll have a coffee, please. That's to order. If you're in a restaurant or a cafe and you're communicating to the waiter or waitress, you say, I'll have, to indicate what you want to order. Or you can say, I have coffee every day if you describe that you drink coffee. You can say drink, but it's more common to say have. I have 3 meals a day. I have a shower before breakfast. So these are certain routines. Americans will often say take a shower, but have a shower is the most common to hear in British English. You can also use it for these conditions or possessions. He has cancer. She has a cold. I don't have a car, in the negative there. You could say he is having a great time. I need to have my car fixed. Now, if we're using this structure, it means that another person will fix the car, probably because you're paying them, but it indicates to the listener that you are not doing the physical repair, but another person will do it. I need to have my house decorated. Again, means that you will not do it, you will just organize and pay somebody to do it. Or you can say have a nice day as a fixed expression. It doesn't describe a possession or anything like that, but it's a very common thing to say. Again, remember to find your own phrases. There are lots of dictionaries that will help you to do that. So finally, more examples, more ideas of how you can use have, and a few examples of what you cannot say if you want to use correct English. So to have a brother or sister or pet, or a girlfriend or boyfriend or husband or wife the same way, they're not describing possessions because I'm not saying I possess my brother, just saying that he is related or connected to me in some way. So you've got all of the other examples here to give you inspiration, and also with the what not to say. So these are some typical mistakes that I've observed and corrected in classes, mainly from Spanish speakers because of the literal translation of the word. So again, by getting your regular expressions, you will then learn to avoid these common mistakes.